So good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Today we are going to practice the next WH questions. We are practicing the next WH questions today, and we are going to have a great exercise of all the WH questions. Right, Pratibha madam, turn on your video. So we practiced who questions, then we practiced when question, then we practiced where question, okay, and then we practiced from where question, okay. Have you practiced from where question? From where do you call? I call from here.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No. I will practice from where questions now.
No, sir.
Okay, we'll practice from where question. Okay, we are going to practice from where question. From where do you call? I call from here. Pooja Kumari, repeat after me. From where do you call?
Call from here.
From where did you call?
I call from here.
From where will you call?
I will call from here.
Okay, from where do you teach?
I teach from here.
No, change the, give me 5 answers. I teach from here, I teach from there, I teach from the room, I teach out of the room, I teach above Devi Chowk, I teach from Devi Chowk, I teach from. Okay, in this way, it means you have to just mention the place name. You have to mention the place name, not all these names. From place, from, you have to mention from and place name. Okay, like from here, okay, from there, okay, from my village, okay. Place name you have to mention from my office, okay, from the bus stop, okay. You have to mention the place. From the company, okay. From his house, okay. From her flat, okay. From Ram's office, okay. From
From the college.
Okay, from the college, from the mall, okay. In this way you are mentioning the place name. From their village, okay. From your office, okay. From your clinic. All right, so from here, from there, from my village, from her village. In this way you are going to talk about the answers. All right, answer me, give me 5 answers. From where do you teach?
I teach from here. I teach from there. I teach from my village. I teach from my office. I teach from the bus stop. I teach from the company. I teach from his house. I teach from her flat.
Okay, very good job. Aishwarya, from where do you study?
I study from my office. I study from the company. I study from his house. I study from her flat. I study from the college. I study from the mall. I study from their village. I study from your house. I study from your clinic. I study from here. I study from there.
Very good. Good job. Yeah. Now Kajal, answer me. From where do you work?
I work from home. I work from Ram's home. I work from my office. I work from the college. I work from the mall. I work from their her office. I work from the bus stop. I work from my office. I work from there. I work from
Very good.
my
Good job.
village.
Tushar, from where do you sell the goods? From where do you sell the goods?
I sell the goods from here. I sell the goods from there. I sell the goods from the company. I sell the goods from his house. I sell the goods from the college. I sell the goods from the mall. I sell the goods from their village. I sell the goods from Ram's office.
Okay,
I
very
sell
good. Ashwini, from where did you supply the goods? From where do you supply the goods? Okay, did, that is say second form, supplied.
I supplied goods from here. I supplied goods from there. I supplied goods from my village. I supplied goods from my office. I supplied group from the bus stop. I supplied group from the company. I supplied goods from his house. I supplied goods from her flat. I supplied goods from office. I supplied goods from the college. I supplied goods from the mall. I supplied goods from their village. I supplied goods from your office. I supplied goods from your clinic.
Very good, very good. Aditi, from where do you call your friends? From where do you make a call? From where do you make a call?
I make a call from here. I make a call from there. I make a call from my village. I make a call from my office. I make a call from the bus stop. I make a call from the company. I make a call from his house.
Very
I
good.
make a call from her flat.
Okay, very
I
good.
make-
From where do you, Abhishek, from where do you register? From where do you register?
I register.
From
From
here.
where do you register? I register from here. I register from there. I register from my village. I register from my office. I register from the bus stop. I register from the company. I register from his house. I register from her flat. I register from Ram's office. I register from the college.
Very good. Good
I
job.
register
Santosh.
from the mall.
Santosh, from where do you attend the class?
I attend the class from here. I attend the class from there. I attend the class from my village. I attend the class from my office. I attend the class from the bus stop. I attend the class from the company. I attend the class from his office. I attend the class from his house. I attend the class from her flat. I attend the class from Ram's office. I attend the class from the college. I attend the class from
Okay,
the mall.
Pratibhaji, from where are you learning? From where are you learning? Present continuous tense. From where are you learning?
I'm learning from Inspiring English class. I'm learning from college. I'm learning from his house. I'm learning from my house. I'm learning from
From Ram's
School.
office. From
Ram's office. I'm learning from Megha's office.
Okay, very good. Good job. Amruta, from where have you completed? From where have you completed the project?
I have completed the project from here. I have completed the project from there. I have completed the project from my village. I have completed my project from my office. I have completed the project from the bus stop. I have completed the project from the company. I
Very
have
good. Good job. Good job. Got it. So I think everybody is done, right? Now we'll go. I think we have done how questions, why questions. We have done with how many questions. We have done with how many, for how many, how much, whom, for whom. Have we done for whom?
Yes, sir.
With whom? Against whom? Now whose
Yes, sir.
questions? We'll work on whose questions. Okay. We'll work on whose questions. Whose questions are important. All right. Whose questions are important. So whose, it means konache. Whose mobile do you take? I take my friend's mobile. I take my mobile. I take your mobile. You just need a practice. I take your mobile. I take our mobile. I take their mobile. I take Ram and Sita's mobile. I take his mobile. I take her mobile. I take its mobile. I take Nokia's mobile. I take my mobiles. I take your mobiles. I take your mobiles. I take our mobiles. I take their mobiles. In this way. All right. Amruta, answer me. Whose dictionary will you use? Whose dictionary will you use?
I will take
Use.
mobile's
Whose dictionary will you use?
I will take my mobile's dictionary. I will take your mobile's dictionary. I will take their mobile's dictionary. Sir, shall I use this mobile word?
No need to use mobile. I take my dictionary. I take your dictionary.
Okay.
I will take.
I will take Ram and Sita's dictionary. I will take his dictionary. I will take her dictionary. I will take my mother's dictionary. I will take my dictionary. I will take my friend's dictionary. I will take your dictionary. I will take their dictionary.
Very good. Good job. Tushar, whose
Yes, sir.
whose luggage will you carry? Whose luggage will you carry?
I will carry my friend's luggage. I will carry my friend's luggage. I will carry her luggage. I will carry its luggage. I will carry Ram and Sita's luggage. I will carry its luggage. I will carry her luggage. I will carry your luggage. I will carry my luggage.
Okay, Santosh, whose sentences I am talking. Whose sentences are you deleting?
I am deleting her sentences. I am deleting your sentences. I am deleting your sentences. I am deleting our sentences. I am deleting their sentences. I am deleting Ram and Sita's sentences. I am deleting his sentences. I am deleting her sentences. I am deleting its sentences. I am deleting my sentences. I am deleting your sentences. I am deleting Ram and Sita's sentences. I am deleting his sentences. I am deleting our sentences. I am deleting their sentences. I am deleting its sentences. I am deleting his sentences.
Okay, Kajal, whose balance are you checking? Whose balance are you checking?
Sorry, sir, repeat once.
Whose balance are you checking?
I am checking my friend's balance. I am checking your balance. I am checking our balance. I am checking their balance. I am checking my mobile balance. I am checking your mobile balance. I am checking our mobile balance. I am checking my friend's mobile balance. I am checking my mother mobile balance. I am checking Nokia's mobile balance. I am checking
Okay,
Ram
fine.
mobile.
Aditi, whose homework do you complete?
I complete my homework. I complete our homework. I complete your homework. I complete their homework. I complete Ram and Sita's homework. I complete his homework. I complete her homework. I complete our homework. I complete Ram and Sita's homework.
Very good. Good job. Ashwini, whose guidelines will you ignore? Whose guidelines will you ignore?
I will ignore your guidelines. I will ignore their guidelines. I will ignore Ram guidelines. I will ignore Sita guidelines. I will ignore Ram and Sita guidelines. I will ignore his guidelines. I will ignore her guidelines. I will ignore my guidelines. I will ignore your guidelines.
Okay, Pratibha ji, whose company will you manage?
I will manage my company. I will manage my brother's company. I will manage my friend's company. I will manage my neighbor's company. I will manage their company. I will manage our family company.
Okay, good job. Yeah, Abhishek, whose company are you joining? Whose company are you joining?
I am joining my company. I am joining your company. I am joining our company. I am joining their company. I am joining Ram company. I am joining Sita company. I am joining Ram and Sita company. I am joining his company. I am joining her company. I am joining its company. I am joining your company. I am joining her company. I am joining its company. I am joining Ram and Sita's company.
Pooja Kumari ji, whose file will you save?
Whose file?
Will you save?
Save my file. I will save her file. I will save his file. I will save your file. I will save their file. I will save my friend file. I will save her friend files. I will save his friend files. I will save her friend's file. I will save my friend's file. I will save his friend files. I will save Ram file. I will save Sita file. I will save Ram and Sita files.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Aishwarya, whose message will you delete?
I will delete my message. I will delete your message. I will delete our message. I will delete their message. I will delete Ram message. I will delete Sita message. I will delete Ram and Sita's message. I will delete my friend message. I will delete my brother's brother message. I will delete my mother message. I will delete.
Okay, fine. Aradhana, whose
Yes, sir.
Aradhana, whose mobile do you use?
Okay. I
use my mobile.
I use my mobile. I use your mobile. I use our mobile. I use their mobile. I use Ram and Sita mobile. I use his mobile. I use her mobile. I use his mobile. I use Neha mobile. I use my brother mobile. I use my father mobile. I use my sister mobile. I use my
Sanket.
friend mobile.
Sanket, whose
Yes,
song?
sir.
Whose song do you sing?
I sing a song.
I sing my song.
I sing my song. I sing
Your song.
your song. I sing her song. I sing his song. I sing Ram and Sita song. I sing our song. I sing their song. I sing Ram and Sita song. I sing my song. I
Okay,
sing.
fine. All right. Now we are going to study same question, but answers are different. Whose mobile do you take? I take mine. You cannot
Yes.
use, this is independent pronouns.
Yes.
These are the independent pronouns. All right. So we are not using the common noun with this answer. Okay. Like answers in independent
Yes.
pronoun.
Yes, sir.
Answers in independent pronoun. Okay. Answers in mine. Mine is a singular independent pronoun. Ours is a plural independent pronoun. Okay. Yours is a again singular independent pronouns. Then yours is a plural independent pronoun. Okay. Yours is again plural independent pronoun. Then his is a singular independent pronoun. His. Okay. And her, hers is a singular independent pronoun. And its is a singular independent pronoun. And theirs is a plural independent pronoun. Okay. So in Marathi, you know, we say te book, whose mobile do you use? तुम्ही कोणाचा मोबाईल वापरता? I use mine. मी माझा वापरतो. We don't say मी माझा मोबाईल वापरतो. We say मी माझा वापरतो. So this is mine, it means माझा. Ours it means आमचा. Yours it means तुमचा. Yours म्हणजे तुमच्या सर्वांचा. No need to use mobile with mine. Understand? I use mine. I use hers. I use yours. I use theirs. In this way. मी त्यांचा मोबाईल वापरतो. Got it? जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि आप किसका मोबाइल यूज करते हैं? मैं मेरा यूज करती हूँ. तो मैं मेरा यूज करती हूँ तो हम उसके साथ मेरा मोबाइल यूज करते हैं क्या? नहीं यूज करते. हम क्या बोलते हैं, मैं मेरा यूज करती हूँ, वह उसका यूज करता है. तो मेरा, उसका, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, माइन, आवर्स, योर्स, योर्स, हिज, हर्स, इट्स एंड देयर्स. इट मीन्स हर एक के लिए अलग अलग क्या है, वर्ड्स है इंग्लिश में. इन मराठी वन वर्ड ओनली. माझं पुस्तक माझं आहे, ते पुस्तक माझं आहे आणि ते माझं पुस्तक आहे. इट मीन्स बोथ आर माझं माझं. बट इन इंग्लिश इट इज डिफरंट. In English, that is my book and that book is mine. That is my book and that book is mine. That is her book and that book is hers. Okay, just repeat after me. Repeat after me. Okay, repeat after me. Aradhna ji, repeat after me. That is my book. Aradhna ji.
Sir, that
Okay.
is my book.
That book is mine.
That book is mine.
That is our book.
That is our book.
That book is ours.
That book is ours.
That is your book.
That is your book.
That book is yours.
That book is yours.
That is your book.
That is your book.
That book is yours.
That book is yours.
That is his book.
That is his book.
That book is his.
That book is his.
That is her book.
That is her book.
That book is hers.
That book is hers.
That is its book.
That is its book.
That book is its.
That book is its.
That is their book.
That is their book.
That book is theirs.
That book is theirs.
Got it? Okay, one more example. One more example will work. Abhishek, repeat after me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is her academy.
That is her academy.
That is my mobile.
That is my mobile.
That mobile is mine.
That mobile is mine.
That is our mobile.
That is our mobile.
That mobile is ours.
That mobile is ours.
That is your mobile.
That is your mobile.
That mobile is yours.
That is mobile is yours.
That is her mobile.
That is her mobile.
That mobile is hers.
That mobile is hers.
That is their mobile.
That is their mobile.
That mobile is theirs.
That mobile is theirs.
Got it?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it, everybody? Now I will ask you simple questions and you are giving me 5 answers. Whose mobile will you take? I will take mine in this way. Okay? Answer me. Pratibha madam, answer me. Whose mobile will you take? I will take mine. Now start.
Yes, I will take mine.
5 answers minimum.
Okay. I will take hers mobile. Hers. I will take theirs. I will take mobile of
Okay, now
theirs.
simple. We'll go for simple one. Whose
Okay.
mobile is that? That mobile is mine. Okay. Whose mobile
Yes.
is that?
That mobile is mine. That mobile is hers. That mobile is yours. That mobile is theirs. That mobile is its.
Good job. Good job. Last, that mobile is theirs.
Theirs.
Okay, Ashwini. Whose suggestion is that? Whose suggestion is that?
The suggestion is
That
mine.
suggestion is mine.
Pardon, sir?
That suggestion is mine.
That suggestion is mine. That suggestion is yours. That suggestion is his. That suggestion is hers. That suggestion is theirs. That suggestion is its. That suggestion is ours. That suggestion is.
Tushar. Whose idea was that? Whose idea was that? Unmute yourself. Whose idea was that?
That idea was mine. That idea was ours. That idea was yours. That idea was yours. That idea was his. That idea was hers. That idea was its. That idea was theirs.
Amruta.
Yes.
Okay, whose company will that be? Simple, to be forms future. Whose company will that be?
That company will be mine. That company will be ours. that company will be yours, that company will be his, that company will be hers, that company will be theirs.
Okay, Aishwarya, whose academy is that?
Sir, repeat again.
Whose academy is that? That
That
academy.
academy is mine. That academy is ours. That academy is yours.
Correct, huh?
That academy is its. That academy is theirs. That academy is yours.
Very good, very good. Good job, good job. Okay, Aradhna ji, whose
Yes.
book is whose book was that? Whose book was that?
Okay. Book was
That book was mine.
that book was mine. That book was ours. That book was yours. That book was his. That book was hers. That book was it. That book was theirs.
Okay, Aditi, whose match was it? Whose match was that? Whose match was that?
That match was mine. Match was ours. That match was yours. That match was his. That match was hers. That match was its. That match was theirs.
Okay, Sanket, whose bill was that? Okay, Abhishek, whose bill was that?
That bill was mine. That bill was ours. That bill was yours. That bill was yours. That bill was his. That bill was hers. That bill was its. That bill was theirs.
Okay, Kajal, whose construction was that? Whose construction was that?
That construction was mine. That construction was yours. That construction was ours. That construction was hers. That construction was its. That construction was theirs.
Okay, very good. Good job. Whose? Now who is left? Everybody is done. Santosh, are you done?
No, sir.
Okay, Pooja ji. Whose test was it? Whose test was that?
That test was mine. That test was our. That test was our. That test was your. That test was yours. That test was his. That test was her. That test was its. That test was theirs.
Very good. In this way, we have completed whose question. Now we'll go for the next question.
Sir, I am not done, sir.
You are not done. Okay, I'm sorry. Santosh, whose suggestion was that? Whose suggestion was that?
That suggestion was mine. That suggestion was ours. That suggestion
Ours.
was yours. That suggestion was ours. That suggestion was yours. That suggestion was yours. That suggestion was his. That suggestion was hers. That suggestion was its. That suggestion was theirs.
Very good. Good job. Good job. In this way, we talked about all the WH questions. Now we have just left 2 WH questions. We'll finish these WH questions, and from tomorrow onwards, from Monday onwards, we will start a different topic in grammar, in advanced grammar. Now advanced grammar will start. Now from Monday onwards, advanced grammar will start. All right, advanced uses of grammar will start. Which mobile do you take? I take Apple mobile. So here you are going to tell the names of the things, companies names, brand names. In this way, you are telling the names of the things. All right. Which mobile do you take? I take Apple mobile. Which mobile did you take? I took Apple mobile. Which mobile will you take? I will take Apple mobile. Understand? 5. You are giving me 5 answers. Pooja, Tushar, which refrigerator will you buy? Which refrigerator will you buy?
I will buy Samsung refrigerator. I will bought Samsung refrigerator. I will buy Samsung refrigerator.
Okay. Aradhna, which company will you join? Which company will you join?
I will join Infosys.
Faster, it is simple.
I will join Infosys. I will join TCS. I will join Nagaro. I will join Mastercard.
Aditi, which mall will you visit? Which mall will you visit?
I will visit RR Mall. I will visit
Okay, Pratibha, which
Yes.
which movie are you watching? Which movie are you watching?
I am watching Aradhana movie. I am watching Dil Chahta Hai movie. I am watching Amar Prem movie.
Okay, Abhishek, which language are you learning?
I learn the language English. I learn English Hindi. I learn English. I learn
I
the
am
language
learning English.
Marathi.
Which language are you learning? I am learning English. Quick.
I am learning English. I am learning Hindi. I learn English Germany. I am learning Marathi. I
Very
am
good. Good job.
learning
Santosh,
Gujarati.
which bill are you paying? Which bill are you paying?
I will paying I will paying I will pay hotel bill. I will paying shopping bill. I will paying book bill. I will paying shopping bill. I will paying traveling bill. I will paying
Pooja Kumari, which book are you reading? Which book are you reading?
I am reading Java book. I am reading manual testing book. I am reading automation book. I am reading JMeter. I am reading Jira, and I am reading some data SQL, and I am reading some other.
Very good. Aishwarya, which video are you watching?
I am watching WhatsApp videos. I am watching Facebook videos. I am watching Instagram videos. I am watching Twitter's videos. I am watching funny videos. I am watching sad videos.
Okay, very good. Which sports, Kajal, which sports are you playing? Which sports are you playing?
I am playing football. I am playing cricket. I am playing volleyball. I am playing badminton. I am playing carom. I am playing so many games.
Okay, very good. Which vehicle do you drive? Ashwini, which vehicle do you drive?
I drive a car. I drive a bus. I drive
An aeroplane.
cycle. I drive a cycle. I drive a bullet.
Very good. Amruta, which company are you managing?
Sorry, sir.
Which company are you managing?
I am managing IBM. I am managing.
Which company are you managing? Amruta.
I'm managing Infosys. I'm managing a Persistent. I'm managing a TCS. I'm managing Tata Motors.
Okay.
I'm managing Mahindra and Mahindra.
Okay, very good. Good job. Aditi, which sentences are you, which newspaper are you reading? Which newspaper are you reading?
I have read Lokmat.
I am reading.
I am reading Lokmat newspaper. I am reading Deshdoot newspaper. I am reading Sakal newspaper.
Now we are going to study in which. Okay, in which it means you are going to tell about the place. Okay, but particular place. You are going to talk about a particular place. Okay, in which college? Okay, Amruta, in which college do you teach?
I teach in MES Garware College.
5 answers.
Okay, I am teaching in FC College. I am teaching in Wadia College. I am teaching in SNDT College. I am teaching in.
Okay, very good. Ashwini, in which college have you completed graduation? In which college have you completed graduation?
I have completed my graduation in SSCPS College. I have completed my graduation in Modern College. I have completed my graduation in Ferguson College. I have completed my graduation in Madhyamik College. I have completed my graduation in SNDT.
Okay, Aditi, in which room are you? In which room are you attending the class? In which room are you attending the class?
I am attending the class. My room. I am attending the class.
In
my
bedroom, I am attending in class in study room in this way. Living room.
I am attending the class bedroom. I am attending the class
Hmm.
hall. I am
Hmm.
attending the class in living room.
Hmm.
I
Okay,
am
very good.
attending.
Okay. In which Aradhna?
Yes, sir.
In which school? In which school? In which school will you teach?
Yeah, I will teach. Swami Karpatriji Intermediate College. I will teach.
In.
Yes, sir.
I will teach in.
Okay, I will teach in PC College. I will teach in Datacom College. I will teach in Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia College.
Very
I
good.
will.
Pratibhaji, in which company will you hire the employees? In which company will you hire the employees?
I will hire the employees in Garware company. I will hire the employees in Infosys company. I will hire the employees in MSFC office. I will hire the employees in Tata Motors.
Okay,
I will hire.
Abhishek, in which theater will you watch a movie? In which theater will you watch a movie?
I watch a movie with
I will
Shivaji.
watch a movie.
I will watch a movie Shivaji
In
Talkies.
Shivaji
I will
Theatre.
in Shivaji Theatre. I will watch a movie in Shiv Parvati Theatre. I will watch a movie Mankeshwar Theatre. I will watch a movie in Balaji Theatre.
Very good.
I will
Tushar,
watch a movie
in which temple will you pray to God?
I pray to God
I
in.
will. In which
I
temple will you pray to God?
I will pray to God in Shivaji temple. I will pray to God in Jyotiba temple. I will pray to God in Ram temple. I will pray to God in Hanuman temple.
Okay. Kajal, in which hall? In which hall? Okay. Santosh.
Yes, sir.
in which hall will you get married? In which hall will you get married? In which marriage hall will you get married?
I will get married in my room hall. I will get marriage. I will get marriage in my friend room. I will get marriage in outside room. I will marriage in public public hall.
Okay. Fine. You don't have big dreams, you know. You have very room. There
No,
are
sir.
many rooms. I will get married in Le Méridien Hall. I will get married in New York City's town hall. I will get married in Mumbai's Inox Hall.
Due to
Understand?
pandemic situation.
Yeah. So in the pandemic situation, it is not possible. Correct. Pratibha is right. Okay.
So
Kajal,
hall is better.
Kajal, in which company will you complete the project? In which company will you complete the project?
I will complete the project in Infosys company. I will complete the project in Capgemini company. I will complete the project in Cognizant company. I will complete the project in Infochip company. I will complete the project in Infosys company. I will
Okay, fine.
complete the project with
Very
Wise
good.
company.
Pooja, are you done? Okay. Ashwini?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, everybody is done, right? Is everybody done? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All done.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. In which mall will you do the shopping? In which mall will you do the shopping?
Sorry, sir.
In which mall will you do the shopping?
Central Mall. I will do the shopping in Big Bazaar. I will do the shopping in Pavilion Mall. I will do the shopping in Diwan Nagar Mall. I will do the shopping in mall. I will do the shopping in
Very good. Good job. All right. So in this way, we talked about all the WH questions till today. All the WH questions. And it was we gained a lot of knowledge by learning all these WH questions. I think if you wish, you can take the screenshot of it. Do you want to take the screenshot of this?
Sir, I will
I
take it.
take
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are just going to take a screenshot of it. So it will be helpful for you all. So from where? Yeah, take the screenshot quick.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Whose questions and answers?
Yes, sir.
Which questions and answers? In which questions and answers? In which? All right. So in this way, we talked about all the WH questions, and it was really a great session.